For gamers with more than one computer, maybe a laptop, a Windows tablet, and a main rig you game with, typically if you're using one, you're not using the others. And if you think about it, that's really a waste of money. What if you could use all 3, 2, or 5 of those, however many you have, at the same time? If only there was a product that could do that. This video is sponsored by Symless, the makers of Synergy. If you're like me and have multiple computers at your desk, maybe a Windows desktop for gaming, a MacBook for video editing, a Linux box for developing, then you most likely hate switching back and forth between all the mice and keyboards at your desk. Cluttered workspaces constantly reaching to get to something, it's a distraction from your workflow. That's why I chose Synergy. Synergy is an application that allows you to use one mouse and one keyboard for all the computers at your desk. When you reach the edge of one screen on your computer, your mouse automatically jumps to the next computer. Synergy supports seamless sharing of the keyboard and mouse across Windows, Mac, and Linux platforms. For a limited time, subscribers to my channel can head over to symless.com/synergy/UncleJ for a 50% discount. Welcome to my office. I've got 3 machines in front of me here. The first has 3 screens connected to it. That's hiding down here, as you can see, and this is where I spend most of my time and where I game. My second computer is over here, and it's got some random camera footage running on it as an example, but usually it has my doorbell cam rolling on it, but it also has a 55-inch 4K screen over here where I currently have Discord running. My third computer is an old open-core Mac I primarily use for messaging, email, Slack, and other communications. Now you might notice that I only have one keyboard and mouse on my desk, along with my 3D printed mascots that need names. Give me ideas, comment below. It may look a little crowded screen-wise, but for me, it's perfect. Over here, I've got my first instance of Discord going for screen sharing, task manager to keep an eye on things, my main screen that I game on, my second instance of Discord over here viewing my squad, Google Messages and email over here. And finally, some research in Spotify. And controlling it all is my Keychron Q5HE. Along with a highly controversial Def Pro trackball that my buddies like to bust on me for, but I love it. So here's how it all works. While sharpening my PUBG skills, if I want to adjust the instance of Discord, I view my squad with a quick key combo and my keyboard and mouse swap over to the top screen, as you can see here. The top 2 screens are on 2 different computers, but I have Synergy set up to allow the mouse to flow seamlessly between the 2. Another key combo and I'm back in the game on my main rig. The app at the heart of all this is Synergy by Symless, and they make it very easy to configure. The interface has this super handy graphical layout that lets you tell Synergy how you'd like your computers to interact with one another. I have computers in physical positions that may not make lots of sense, but in Synergy, I can sort it all out in a way that's easy for me to understand and just works. The app stays out of the way and lets me use my gear in a way that makes sense. Customizable hard and soft spaces where the mouse may or may not be able to float between machines to prevent accidental interactions is a key aspect that Synergy just nails. You can treat multiple computers like one, allowing the mouse to seamlessly float between them, or have machines on their own islands requiring key combos to get to them. You could even use a combination of both, as I do, when you want to quickly get to one machine or the other. I've been using Synergy for years now, and it's an obvious choice for me. Think about it. If you have multiple computers, do they get used at the same time often, or is one just sitting around waiting to be useful? You spent good money on this stuff. Put it to work. With Synergy, you can rethink the way you use your gear. Check out symless.com/Synergy today. And while you're doing that, check out this sweet footage of me getting wrecked in PUBG. Thanks for checking out this product with me today. Please like and subscribe. Peace.